Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your ChatGPT Pro or Advanced subscription. So first thing first, you need to log in into your account. You go down here in the bottom left corner, you select your name, then you have the settings option here. You just click on it. Then you go to account here. Then you will find ChatGPT Plus Manage. You just select it and then you cancel your subscription. For some people, this option is not available. In this case, you need to go back here and then you select the help. Then you go to the help center and then just talk with this AI support and ask them to cancel your subscription by requesting that, and it will be canceled within 48 hours. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel.